Skoda Elroq Sportline confirmed for Australia. New trim level arriving later this year. Skoda is expanding its electric vehicle lineup in Australia with the addition of the Elroq Sportline, a new trim level set to replace the limited edition 130 years variant later in 2024. This move is part of Skoda's broader push to revitalize its portfolio with updated powertrains and models, following significant upgrades across its range in both 2023 and 2024. Sportline details. What to expect: the Elroq Sportline will retain the core performance specs of the outgoing 130 years edition, featuring a rear-mounted 210 kW/545 Nm electric motor powered by an 82 kWh lithium-ion battery. This setup delivers an estimated range of around 529 km and supports fast charging at up to 135 kW DC. However, the Sportline differentiates itself through distinct aesthetic and minor handling upgrades. Key visual changes include gloss black exterior accents, side mirrors, window trims, roof rails, darkened styling elements, front spoiler, rear diffuser, bonnet and tailgate badging, sporty interior touches, black Sudia and leatherette upholstery, sport seats, 3-spoke steering wheel, aluminum pedals. The Sportline will also benefit from a slightly lowered stance and progressive steering, enhancing on-road handling without the full performance focus of the upcoming Elroq RS model. Pricing and market strategy. While official pricing has not been released, industry speculation suggests the Elroq Sportline will likely fall within the $65,000 $70,000 drive-away range. This places it competitively within the growing EV market. Skoda's aggressive product rollout in Australia includes not only the Sportline, but also the launch of high-performance RS versions of the Elroq and Enyaq EVs this year. The brand is also preparing for the arrival of 2 additional electric SUVs, the Epic and Peak, as early as 2027. Why this matters: Skoda's continued investment in electric vehicles demonstrates its commitment to adapting to evolving consumer demand. The Sportline trim level fills a gap between the base Elroq and the high-performance RS, offering a balance of style, performance, and affordability. This approach is crucial for attracting a wider range of buyers in Australia's increasingly competitive EV market. The rapid pace of updates across Skoda's entire lineup underscores a broader trend within the industry. Automakers are actively refreshing their portfolios to remain relevant in the face of technological advancements and shifting consumer preferences.